Hello guys, oh my god, yes, we've got a different location today. It's your favorite girl, Empresssayo, and you already know I'm super excited. So today I'm traveling. I am going to Canada, Toronto baby. So here we come. So my flight is at 3. So yeah, I just got to the airport and yeah, let's go crazy. Let's go, come with me, let's go. So yeah, so it's amazing, and yeah, just follow me. So let's ask the lovely man which way to go, and then yeah. Good morning, excuse me, I'm traveling with Canada Air inside F. Thank you so much. And yes, and we're just going in, and I'm super excited, and oh my god, I haven't traveled I think since 2017, so this would be a good thumbnail, so just hold on and wait. So now let's keep on going inside and let's see what's up, what's good. So let's go. I haven't been, so yeah, so we're going straight to we're going to Canada Air. So yeah, it's super amazing. Okay, I think I need to find where I'm going. So you've got Emirates. Okay, they look cute. I think I'm still going further down. Yeah, I believe so. So yeah, it's not too crowded, so that's good. Emirates is looking really good. So I think we're still going further down, and yeah, if we were coming across to Delta, no, that's actually American. That's American airline. And yeah, so people checking their bags. It's all good. And yeah, we move. And that's Delta. And yeah, so you guys can see how it looks like. And okay, I need to find where I'm going. Like, I need to get sorted out real quick. Yeah, so let's go. Let's do it. I'm super duper excited, and my box don't want to go the same way. What's wrong with my box? Okay, so we're still going. And okay, I think I need help now because I don't know which way I'm going. So hold on. Okay guys, let me crack you up, okay? Real quick. So, tell me, what was I doing at Terminal 3 if I'm meant to go to Terminal 2? So now, I'm on the way back. I'm on the way back to Terminal 2. Like, oh god, like I'm not already tired. But yeah, so for those of you who don't know, Air Canada, it's in Terminal 2, not Terminal 3. So please do not make that mistake. Okay? Do not make that mistake like me. Okay? Okay. So now, let's go. Let's do it. I'm super excited. Well, my flight is at 3. I just want to make sure like I get on time, sort everything out. And yeah. So that's why I'm super excited, but we'll see. Oh my god, isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful and clean. Big ups Heathrow. Yeah, it's nice and clean. We like that. Do you know what? With this new box of mine, yeah? Tell me, what does it feel like? Like it doesn't want to move like to where I tell it to go. Can you see what I'm saying? Like, look at where my hand is going. I'm telling you to move straight. Can you see? Like, it doesn't want to move. And I'm just here like, yeah. But okay. So when I get there, I will let you know. Alright, bye guys. So this is where I'm meant to go to. Terminal 2, okay? Terminal 2, if you're going to Canada. So yeah, so Air Canada is in Terminal 2, okay? Did you get that? I did. Okay, yeah, it's coming right up again. Oh god. Do you know what? I'm sick and tired of my box already. it's a cute box, but like, ooh. Okay, you can see it clearly now. So it says Terminal 2, the Queen's Terminal. So yeah, so that's where we're going. All right. I mean, my God, guys. Just look at that. Where did it go? So that is what it looks like. And you know, we just came up from the lift. So yeah. So let me show you what it looks like down there. So we're going all the way down there. That's amazing. You can see it. Super amazing. Okay guys, you can already see that I don't really have that much time. I need to hurry. So yeah, sorry about the bumpy ride, but yeah, that is super, super amazing. You can see it all up there, and yeah, let's get it. Let's go. And I feel like doing outfit of the day, but yeah, I'm just wearing something normal, nothing crazy. Yeah, just simple and normal. Okay, so now let's find Turkish airline. So guys, if you do not want to get lost, so when you come in, just look straight at the screen and it's gonna tell you what airline, like the departure time, and then yeah, you just go straight on instead of you looking crazy and stuff. So just come in through that door and then just look there and you could get it. Okay, all right. So as you can see, I'm going to Toronto. You can see Air Canada 15 and it says AC priority check-in and blah blah blah. So we're going to zone A. Okay, yay. And I think that's me right there. So I'm super, super excited. Yeah, that's Air Canada. And yeah, that's me. And so let's do it. I mean, yeah, hiya. And yeah, so we're gonna check in now and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, so when you want to check in, it's very simple. You have this lovely gentleman here and then they show you this machine and you just need your passport. Of course, I'm not going to show you my details. And you just slide it through, yeah, there, like that. Oh, so guys, as you can see, I'm already done. Box is done and I got 21 kg instead of 23. Come on, clap for your girl. And now I'm just gonna be handed my passport and off I go.
Your boarding passport, Toronto.
Thank you. And that's it, guys. Yeah, bye, see you soon. Air Canada, guys. Yeah, it's going all the way through. $5. Thank you so much. So where do I go now?
Just on the left.
On the left. Oh, where there's people going through?
Yeah, just a small exit down there.
Okay.
The big yellow sign down there, that's a departure.
Oh, thank you.
So left and left.
Left and left. So I could cut through here now. Can I go through here now? Like you see where this gentleman just, okay. Okay, thank you. So I'm cutting through here. Okay. And then I'm going through that way. And now we're going to departures. And yeah, super excited. So let's go. Oh, this is it now. So we're in departures. As you can see up there, running. So it's apparently B38 and then we should be where we're going. Yeah, okay. I think we're still going. Okay, so B38. Have you actually seen my outfit for the day? But yeah, let's just go. Lift to B. I don't even know which one to take. Lift, escalators. I think I'm gonna go with escalator. we're still going straight down. I am so hot. I think I'm quickly gonna enter Boots if I could. Oh, is this Superdrug? Actually, it is Superdrug. I want to get in there and get something, but I'm not sure. Should I? Okay, guys, hold on. You already know I am super excited, so now we're gonna board the plane. Ah! Let's get it. Oh my god, we're literally about to board the plane, and yeah. So hopefully you can see how it is. I'm super excited, like I said. And yeah. There we go. Yeah, you can see the end. Thank you. Bye. It's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah, very good, yeah.
Wow. 777. How many people? 400? Oh my god! Look at that, guys. Whoa. Thank you. Bye. So guys, I took up my top. It was too hot. I couldn't do it. But I got told where I'm going it's very cold, so I might as well put it back on when we get there. So I'll see you when I get there. Bye. So yeah, so this is the food on the plane, and yeah, I just finished my film. Peter got chicken as well.
Oh, okay.
I got chicken.
Okay, my love, I got
Sis
you.
is gonna get chicken as well. Yeah, I think so.
Where's my chicken?
In it.
Oh, that's mine? I'm so sorry,
Yeah.
my love. Thank you. I was distracted, okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, girl.
And sis
You
got
want to
hers.
retake that? Sorry.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna come back.
Okay. I need a glass of wine.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Oh,
Peter,
this
are we having wine?
Okay.
White? You think that's Pinot Grigio on here?
You ask that gorgeous man
Yeah,
for me,
because I
please.
think if we asked.
I'm not
What for
talking
you?
to anybody.
White or red?
White.
White. For you?
White, please. Thank you. What about you?
Red.
I thought you said you liked white wine.
Yeah.
Did you not say white wine?
I love red. Red.
ìyẹn ni pé tẹ́ ẹ bá súnmọ́ mi bá so ẹ lórí lára mi làbẹ́gà kúnlẹ̀kúnlẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá súnmọ́ mi lábàgà.
Hi guys, as you can see, welcome to downtown Toronto, Canada. So I'm staying at the Monte Carlo Inns, and yeah, it's beautiful. Right. Yeah, it's really pretty. And yeah, so we'll show you my room and all that in a bit. And yeah, just party with me, okay? Have fun. Let's go.
Pèmí sórí nọ́mbà yìí, èmi gangan ni màá gbé PAS US.
Other people can leave. I need a next page. Media, please.
I can't hear anything. My hair.
Yeah, no, I can't hear
My hair is
anything
blocked.
either. That's how you know you had a good time. Did I pass the white girl test?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So my room is 222. If I don't quickly do a video, I just quickly want to show you what it looks like. So this is the bathroom. Hi guys. Yeah, cute. And then take you to the room. And this is the it's of that Monte Carlo ends. And yeah, this is, sorry about the mess, but I'm leaving. I have to literally get out, but I just wanted to show you the room. It was really beautiful. We've got a fridge, yeah, and tea because we've emptied it out. We've got a coffee machine and all that. And yeah, it's a rush. It's cute, it's beautiful. You can stay here. Bye guys. The bottom, like, it's really cute. So there's the bottom, and then until you come through to the restaurant, nothing, you can go around.
How does Neymar being in the lineup, Stevie, change the way maybe
And what is in here? Hi guys. Oh. Oh. And look at what I'm wearing. So I think I'm gonna. I am. And that is. So yeah, so oh, Jesus, I have a nice one. Good to go. We're going back home. We have fun, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for having me, guys. So now we're going with Air Canada and we're just gonna, yeah, leave. This is what the airport looks like. And yeah, it's so cold, guys. It's freezing. So yeah. Yeah, so we're going to board the plane now. So we're in Canada, Toronto. This is it Pearson or something like that? Pearson Airport. But yeah, I mean, oh, look at that, guys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Isn't that amazing? You know, and everyone's just doing whatever they're doing. But yeah, but off I go. I'm super early. I'm so proud of myself. How you guys doing? Yeah, I hope you guys are doing all right. So enjoy the vlog. Guys, are you seeing this? Hi. Oh my god, it echoes. So now I'm in duty free. And yeah, let's see what they got. Let's see what they've got. They'll probably have some nice stuff. Duty free is looking really nice. Really nice.